Hello friends, this is Abhishek Gupta and welcome to Technical Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to open and fix RAM on Lenovo Thinkpad laptop. Currently my laptop is having 4GB of RAM and I want to upgrade it to 8GB. So let's find out how to do this. First of all, remove your SIM tray available on the right hand side of your laptop. You can use your flat screwdriver or pin for removing this tray. Step number 2. Remove all the screws from the bottom cover of your laptop. Step number 3 is try to open the cover using card. Card is a good option because it prevents your laptop from getting scratches. Try to pull the bottom case with slightly force, and here you can see how it is easy to open. Now it's time to put the RAM. As here you can see this laptop is having 2 SIM slots and one slot is already fixed with 4GB of RAM and there is one another empty slot. So I'm going to fix this RAM in this slot. Once you are done, now it's time to fix the back cover. For this, simply put the cover and press it to fix the notches properly on the laptop. Once you are done, fix all the screws and put back the SIM tray to its slot and your laptop is ready. So guys, this is all about today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.